This is an 8-shelf sandpaper cabinet, I don't know what else to call it, that I just made out of Baltic Birch. Thought I'd show it to you. I ran the sliding table with the dado, and all these joints ain't the prettiest, but gives you an idea how it's put together. And I have a little reveal at the top and the bottom. So I've been fumbling around with sandpaper and little bags and trying to find which one I need when. So here's some 220, fits in there, so you get the idea. So sandpaper basically is 9 by 11. So this box has 1/2-inch walls and tops and bottom floor, and then plywood scant of 1/4 for the shelving. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.